everybody. Well, today we're going to try to crack the code on wearing leggings. And if you're like most of us, as soon as the weather turns the least bit cool, we reach for our leggings. So I'm going to show you a lot of tops that you can wear with your leggings and a few different ways to wear your leggings. So let's get started. So before I was on YouTube, I worked in a corporate environment and I wore suits almost every day. And that was so easy. You just put on the suit, put on a pair of pumps, go to the office. Well, now I get to wear leggings. And so I had to actually do a little research and find out more about leggings. So the problem with leggings for many of us is we don't know which leggings to wear. So there are several options. I'm wearing the athleisure wear leggings. These are Lululemon, and in the past I've shown you some really great ones I found on Amazon that are almost dupes for the Lululemon, and I'll put those in the information box below. Now these leggings are the tight leggings all the way to the ankle. However, there are leggings that are wider all the way down, so according to your body type or how comfortable you feel in them. Do you feel comfortable wearing the leggings that are really tight, or get the wider leg leggings? These are also on Amazon, and I will link these below as well. But the wider legs are great depending on the tops you're going to wear, and I'll explain what I mean in just a minute. Now these are fashion leggings. The difference is they are made of a better fabric. Well, I can't say better, just a different fabric. These fabrics are more like a pair of slacks. They fit just exactly like a legging, but they have a nice hem on the bottom. Oh, it does not have that top stitching that you see along the side of the legs of most leggings. There's no top stitching. It's almost exactly as if you were wearing a pair of legging slacks, and you can dress these up quite a bit. So I have a rack of things to share with you, and I'm going to show you what I found that works perfectly with those comfy, cozy leggings. I think the best way to show you these ideas for leggings is to go from very casual to a little bit dressier, maybe to go out for lunch. So this top is a lavender purplish color, and it comes in a lot more colors, and I'll have that link below. It is long sleeve, and it has the thumb hole so you can pull it down over your hands when you're out walking and get a little bit chilly. It is long in the front, but even longer in the back. And that is perfect to cover all those areas of discontent, and so we like that. And some of you may not, but this in particular is not super long. I didn't want a tunic. Some of you like to wear the tunics. I like them a bit shorter, but not too short. I'm wearing those same leggings that I was talking about earlier, the Lululemons that have the pockets on the side for your phone, and we talked about the fact that I'm going to put the dupes below as well, so you can check into those. And I am wearing On Cloud tennis shoes. These are white, and I have several different pairs of tennis shoes because the color of the tennis shoe and the height of the tennis shoe does make a difference in the way you coordinate the outfit, and not necessarily color, but height of heel. Now this is a top that I just received. I still have the tag in it, so I'm going to take that tag out and try it on because I know I'm going to love it. It is so cozy. It's quilted, and this is a white one with a black contrast. It has snaps. What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4 snaps that will allow you to wear it open or closed. And look at that. Won't it look cute with a ball cap? We're gonna look extra sporty. Let's try it on. Okay, what do we think? I am 5 feet 7 inches tall, and I think it's long enough, but if you want it longer, just size up. It's a bit oversized, but I like that comfy look. It's very, very casual. And let's accessorize just a bit. I have this Gucci Soho bag, and I'm gonna just do it crossbody because where are we going? We might be going to the grocery. We might be going to get coffee. Who knows? And let's use black sunglasses. Is that too much black? Let's try the silver Ray-Bans. That might break it up a bit so it looks a little brighter. What do we think? Now we have our intentionally casual look. We can put very little effort into this and look really pulled together. Now I have a whole collection of tops to show you. This one in particular just screams autumn because of the color. I believe they called this caramel. And it comes in several colors as well. It has elastic at the wrist. It has a V-neck, and I have it in gray. And you can see the neckline. This is perfect to wear necklaces. It has a bit of a collar, but not much at all. It's gathered at the sleeve right here. It's just a step above a t-shirt, maybe 2 steps above a t-shirt with all this detail. Look at the back, has a little pleat. You can see this pleat in the back, long enough for leggings. Love, love, love. It does come in several colors. Let's accessorize this with, this is an Eva clutch. Putting all this brown with it because it's autumn. And these are the hexagon flat Ray-Bans. What do we think? So this is what I was talking about with the tennis shoes. These are the darker on cloud. Kind of pulls it together and has more of an autumn look, don't you think? So let's move on to the others. We have this t-shirt. There's kind of a variation on the same shirts, but this one has gathering just at the bottom of the opening for the neck. This is perfect for layering necklaces, lots of room for that. This particular top does not have elastic at the wrist, and it does not have a stand-up collar of any kind. This one has a teensy bit of a collar, not much. This has none. It does not have a pleat in the back, but look how comfortable that is. Perfect for hanging out at the house. This design I really, really like. It is, I have it in gray and this blush color, and it has a twist at the bottom. All of these tops are perfect for airport wear, so keep that in mind if you're going anywhere over the holidays. Pop on one of these tops and some nice tennis shoes and a bag, and grab your suitcase and head for the airport. Now we're going to move from very, very casual to maybe going out to lunch. Now I have changed into the fashion leggings that no longer have the pockets and the outside seams. It is not stitched on the outside. And these are perfect to wear with flats. These are little pointed toe flats. Love, love, love. And you have seen this top before. I wore it last week in a video when I was in my kitchen because it looks like autumn, and it has not gathered sleeves but an actual cuff. And look at this little puff sleeve. This comes in a lot of colors as well, and I love this square neck. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's long enough you can wear it with your leggings. Perfect. And your flats. Okay, we're going with black on black with the black flats. And look, this is a bat wing sleeve, and it comes in so many colors. Again, that's one of my favorites. I have it on the hanger inside out. It is that, and I have another black. And the reason I have this is because one fits differently than the other. This top is a rounded bottom. This top, if you can see it, is gathered at the bottom and makes it much tighter. And I love the black of both of them so much that I got them to wear with different types of slacks or skirts. And then I have it in white. So you have a multitude of choices with this, because I'm going to link both styles below, and then you can look at all of the colors that are available. So let's go with a scarf. And I know a lot of times I'm seeing it tied around the waist. I'm not so crazy about that. It looks like an afterthought to me. Some people can pull that off. I haven't been able to do it. It just looks like I was like, what am I going to do with my scarf? I'm just going to tie it around. Now, talk about travel. This is perfect for travel wear because you can go anywhere wearing black. Honestly, if you need a pair of sunglasses, pop those on. And this is a Chanel boy bag, and it has silver hardware. So I did not want to go with gold hardware on sunglasses, so I went with tortoiseshell. And what are these anyway? These are Saint Laurent. So if you need tortoiseshell Saint Laurent, I'll see if I can find those for you. And this is very old. I don't know if they even design these anymore. It's the diamond stitch, and I have worn this to death. And it's the east-west design, which is back. So if you have any in your closet, grab them and wear them. So now we just have to find somewhere to travel. I do want to share this camel coat with you. It looks perfect with this scarf and black. It is lovely. And it's casual enough that if you wanted to wear, hold on, so it is casual enough that you could wear tennis shoes with it, with your leggings, your black top, your scarf, and casually walking a cobblestone street somewhere. Look at this, perfection. Now we're with black on black again, but this is a t-shirt. The bat wing sleeves do not work with a jacket, and we're going to use just a denim jacket. I'm wearing black boots, almost like a Chelsea boot, but taller, and I'm in the market for Chelsea boots, so because I like that shorter look. And I'm going to accessorize this with a silver or white gold, no, this is just silver, lariat, just to add some interest. And it coordinates with the jacket buttons. So we have all silver hardware. What do we think about that? Now, grab your bag and you have your coordinating everything. Black shoes, black bag, black on black with denim. So that's an option. Cute little lunch outfit. Let's make one last change. We are going to remove this jacket, and we're out with the denim, and we are going to put on this fur. It is a Fabulous fur, which is the name of it. It is Fabulous, but it's made by Fabulous Fur. And I'm wearing this same black t-shirt, but I'm wearing brown fry boots, and we're going to carry this ombre color artsy bag, which is very unconstructed. And let's see, how about sunglasses? And we're ready. We look totally different. And the reason I am pulling all of this autumn wear out is because I plan to go to Texas this winter, and it can get very cold in Texas, and I'm looking forward to that because we don't get cold weather here, so I get really excited about wearing winter clothes. So we have all of this together, and I think I'm ready for autumn. How about you? Leave a comment below. And I'm so glad you watched the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.